So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Neil. So, I'm shooting this video for the very first time. So, I'm trying this recipe also for the very first time. So, today I'm making some popcorn chicken. So, this is my first ever non-veg video, you can say, like type of snacks video. So, yeah, so let's get started with the video then. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily notification, and do like my video and share to everybody if you can. So let's get started. So guys, at the starting of the recipe, first we will need some 50 grams of chicken. So these are the boneless chickens. Make sure they are boneless only, because the popcorn chicken requires some boneless pieces. Put the boneless pieces into a mixing bowl. So first we will be doing the marination. So I have taken some 50 grams of chicken. Then what you have to do, you have to put some lemon juice in it. Just pour the whole lemon juice into the chicken. Then just add some ginger garlic paste, what at least like a half a teaspoon. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then then 1 teaspoon of sugar, I mean turmeric powder. Then add 4 teaspoon of garam masala, and then just a pinch of salt according to your taste. And then I am having some McCain hot and tangy masala mix. So just put the half of it. It's totally optional if you want it also not. So now just take a spatula and mix the dry ingredients firmly into the chicken pieces, and make sure they are both equally marinated. This aside, make these chickens as marinated as you can do. As you can see, the marination has been still done. So now what you have to do, you have to put this chicken marination aside for like 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, one gentle reminder. So after keeping this aside for like 5 minutes, so what you have to do, you have to take a egg and just put the white. So I am already having the egg white because last night I made some fried chicken. So this is the corn flour mix, that mixture of the egg white. Just pour it in the chicken, and again now mix it gently. Mix it gently so that the masalas go inside the chicken quite firmly and easily. Now again we have to keep this aside for like 10 minutes only. So guys, after keeping the marinated chicken aside for like 10 to 15 minutes, now what you have to do, you have to take a plastic bag like this, you can see. Now what you have to do, you have to add 1 teaspoon of corn flour in it. Just add, okay, just like add 2.5 teaspoon of corn flour in it. Then add some 1.5 cup of maida. which is flawed, you can say. Just let me take out the maida. You can see this is maida. Put it in a paper bag, 1.5. So this is equals the half. Now what you have to do, the main part is the mixing part. Now what you have to do, you have to take the chicken pieces lightly from the marinated herbs, you can say. You have to use this kind of machine. Let the spatula go aside. Take one by one the chicken pieces like this and drop it in the plastic bag. Take all the chicken pieces like that. So you can also make this chicken popcorn recipe by chicken keema. You can add, or you can cut some like those small pieces, and you can then add this fell off. You can also make through the chicken keema, or can add some small pieces in it. It is so buttery that it's now following down. Just add, this is the last chicken. So now just keep this aside. It's quite a bit dirty now, the bag. So let me just rub it. So now just add again. So if you want this like some like chatpata and spicy, just add this McCain hot and tangy masala a little bit, because we already put some of the half in it. And then add, if you're having this mixed Italian herbs, it's all good, you can also put some. Then you have to add some like only a half a teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. Then my favorite is that like mix it gently around the chicken. Make sure that all the pieces of chicken gets formally granted in this corn flour and maida mixture, so the lighting just gone. Mix it gently. So now you can see that our chicken pieces are all coated down. So let's just now put on a plate. So guys, now you can see that our chicken have been marinated. Now first let us just put it on a plate like this way. Some water has been soaked in it. Put the chicken pieces gently. So mix it again. Again, take the chicken pieces like that one by one, and then we will go, and it's now ready to fry. Just place the chicken like that, like I am doing it. So guys, now you can see that I have now marinated the corn flour mixture, and our chickens are all ready. They're like a bit of space in it. Just apply some more of the structure, and now you can see. Now we will go, and now it is like ready to fry. So guys, our chicken is now like in the stove now. So in the last, because of the seasoning, so for making this seasoning, we're gonna add like 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add more. Like I am adding half teaspoons of red chili powder, then like a pinch of salt. Then add some mixed Italian herbs again, like 1 teaspoon. Italian herbs. Then add some lemon juice. So if you want some garam masala, you can add, but only a pinch of garam masala. Now just mix all of these. So it creates like a magic blend to the chicken, and it gives you the more like the spicy, crispy, tangy looks. So I'm having some shortage. Just add all the red chili powder because I love spicy food. So just add the red chili powder. Okay, then add salt again. Then add some like those Italian herbs. Some lemon juice if you want, it's totally optional. Mix it again. So guys, now you can see that our masala is all ready. So now guys, you can look that our fried chicken is all ready to be served, and it is quite delicious. So now the seasoning we have made, we have to put it into the like those like in the chicken. So take one chicken from this, mix it over here. Well, you have to do the same process again for mixing it. Now just mix it with the spicy mix so that your chicken can become more and more spicy and looks kinda tangy, gives look. So if you want to add some chili flakes, you can also add those. Just mixed these gently, and now you can see that the chicken popcorn chicken is all ready to be served. Serve it with a nice mayonnaise dip also. So here you go guys, our new recipe, which is my first ever chicken popcorn chicken. So let me just show you how it came from inside. So guys, now you can see that it came, the layer of this chicken is quite nice. It looks like those KFC style also chicken. You can see the layer and the part of inside, which is this one. So guys, this was my recipe of my popcorn chicken. So I hope you liked my recipe video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment in the comment section down below that for some suggestions also. So bye guys, so we'll meet you in the next recipe video.